Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to design your favorite game without writing a single line of code. First, head over to your browser and search AstroCAD. Just search AstroCAD and you click on the first link, AstroCAD AI. Click on that first link. They'll redirect you to this interface. This is the main website. You can actually create a game without logging in, but we're going to sign up first. Just click on sign in. Let's continue with our email. Continue. Okay, continue. Okay, now we are logged in. So we're going to create from scratch. You can actually choose from all these templates you see on your screen. But once you log in, they'll ask you some few questions. Just follow them and answer. Just select what you know. Next, what kind of game do you want to make? Pretty much every kind of game. How did you hear about us? I think I got it from Instagram. When you see this video, depending on the platform you see it on, you can just choose that. Now click on create. You can click on inspire me to get inspiration from other creators, but I'll just use ChatGPT to paste my own prompt. I'll paste that. What is beautiful, after this I'll just click on go while it's creating the game. Now I want to point on this. What is beautiful about this AI is once your game is developed and ready, you can always make changes. Like if you see something and you want to make a change or you want to add some other features, you can just write it like talking to an AI, right? Now it's going to take 15 minutes to develop the whole game. It's a racing game. I just have to use this for demo purposes, so I'm not going to really customize it deep. This is just to show you how you can design any game of your choice. It might be racing, it might be fighting, it might be sport. You just have to use the same procedure, and you can get inspiration from the platform, from other creators, as well as you can use artificial intelligence like ChatGPT to come out with a prompt of exact what you want. So we're just going to wait for this to complete. Then I'll make a little change with a prompt just for demo purposes. I didn't really go deep into doing the game professional because, like I said, this is just for demo purposes. So you just need to take your time and make sure you know what you want and you write it down. The AI is going to do all the job for you. So I just said make the landing page user friendly and perfectly styled. Just need something to, let's see what happens. This will take 2 minutes. Okay, now you see this is the interface we have now. This is just a demo. Imagine if you take your time to do something professional. This is what I got from the little prompt I pasted. If you like this video and want more videos on AI tools that will do amazing job for you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the notification button, so that you get notified each time I drop a new video. And don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.